Hello, welcome to Awin's interface tutorial videos. Today we are going to talk about cross-device sales. The cross-device tracking solution allows advertisers to reward publishers for multi-device journey transactions. You can view the sales from cross-device tracking in the device report. To view these, go to your dashboard and the navigation bar at the top. Hover your cursor over Reports and click on Device Performance Year. The pie chart shows you what percentage cross-device makes up of all device transactions. On the right-hand side, you will see the box Device. Here select Cross-Device from the drop-down and click Generate Report. It is important to note this report includes declined transactions. This shows you the sales, average order value, revenue and commission generated through cross-device tracking for different publishers. To filter by top sales for cross-device, you can filter by clicking on the column titled Sales. Thank you for listening to Awin's tutorial video. For more information on cross-device sales, please visit our online wiki.